Meet the kestrel, one of nature's most skilled survivors. They are small, but mighty birds of prey. They have fascinating nesting habits. They prefer high, open areas that provide a good vantage point for hunting and protection from predators. What sets the kestrel apart is its unique hunting technique called kiting. Watch as it hovers almost motionless, scanning the ground below. With keen eyesight, the kestrel can spot the slightest movements of small prey from high above. Powerful talons to make a swift and precise catch. This agility, precision, and patience makes the kestrel a master hunter